Hey guys, it's me, Priceless Beauty, and today I'm going to be making Kojic acid collagen cream. So I'm going to add albutin to it and my Kojic acid and my collagen powder. Each sachet contains 20 grams, so I'm using 2 of them. And I'm also going to add a little bit of hydroquinone powder. So that's my base cream, which I make myself. You can order it from us if you are someone that like to do your cream yourself. So I'm just gonna start to add my powders. So also, because my base cream is not really thick, I'm gonna be adding stellic acid to thicken it so your cream don't go really runny. So that's 1 teaspoon and a little bit. You put it on the boiling water to melt it. So that's what I'm doing here. And then whilst it's boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking my powders. So that's 1 teaspoon of my Kojic powder, and then 1 teaspoon of my hydroquinone. And then I'm also gonna add my albutin. So I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of my albutin, which also brightens skin. And I'm gonna add the 20 gram of the collagen powder. So I add 2 of it, and I will make 40 gram of collagen powder. So we all know collagen powder brightens skin. So this is Kojic acid oil. You can mix it with rose water or distilled water, but I'm going to be using Kojic acid oil, and I'm also going to be using collagen oil. We have all this oil in stock that we sell for very cheap price, so you easily mix it. Using it like this avoid your base cream from going really runny. So I just mix the oil with the powders. The sterling wax is melted, so to stop it from getting hard, I'm going to add some oil to it, and then I'm going to mix it. This way it doesn't go lumpy in your cream. If you mix it straight away in your cream is going to be, there's going to be some lumpy in your cream. So that's it melted. So I'm gonna take it off the fire, and this is how it looks like now. And I'm now gonna add my whitening powder to the mixture. And then mix it all together. You need a whisk. You need to whisk it to make sure it's all nicely blended. I'm now going to use my hand blender to blend it so it mixes nicely. After I blend it a bit, I'm going to transfer it into my base cream. I'm going to mix it bit by bit. This is the final result. Very nice, and it's thick, It's not too thick. It's just the perfect consistency that you want it. I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand and show you. Very nice and hydrating. All right, as you can see, this is not bleaching cream. This is brightening cream. This will brightening you. As you can see, every ingredient was minimalist. I didn't put too much brightening powders in it. I didn't put too much whitening powder. So this one will nicely brighten your skin without bleaching you. So if you are someone that suffer with hyperpigmentation, you want your skin to be brighter, but you don't want your skin to bleach, this is perfect for you. We sell the base cream and the powder as well. So I will leave my contact details if you want to buy the base cream. We also have papaya and carrot base cream as well. So you can follow the same procedure with that base cream. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. I hope you like this video. Bye.